In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this air temperature sensor in this Dodge Dakota. It's located under the hood, attached to the air intake tube. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide it out. Now with a small pick, there's a little lock on the end of it, on the end of the sensor. Just grab the sensor and twist to the left while you pull up on that little tab. And then once the tab's twisted, just give it a wiggle. We'll slide it out. You can see the tab right there. That's what you're lifting, the pick, as you twist it, and it comes right out. Take the sensor and line it up. Slowly push it in, wiggle it back and forth, and then twist it until it locks in place. Then take the connector, line that up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.